First of all, thanks all the press media. With me, our Rajya Sabha MP, Mrs. Sushma Dev. Her father was the minister when I was an MP, 2004. I know her father very well. He is a minister steel and other. Now I came to know she is a daughter of Mr. Dev. So your people know much. TMC is doing very good in Goa. I can say TMC can form the government. There's no doubt. I got a faith of the people of Goa. And people trust me. I'm always with the people. Either the Hindu, Muslims, Catholics. Today the unity of the Goa, there is not any state. People know it's only to defeat BJP government. Not only here, in center, our TMC party leader, Didi, Mamata Banerjee, 3 times Calcutta big margins chief minister. She is the only can fight the Prime Minister seat with Modi. And we got a faith, and people of India also got a faith her. She can give defeat to the BJP. Today I given the press regarding the scheme and all that my friend MP Rajya Sabha Sushma Dev.
I'll speak in Hindi or English. I thank Mr. Churchill for introducing me to the local media, and it is my honor to meet him. He's a friend of my father's. They have worked together, and he's a mass leader. And I feel extremely happy that a mass leader like Mr. Churchill has joined Mamata Di, because the name of our party is Trinamool Congress, means people who are grassrooted. You know, he has been a parliamentarian twice, he has been an assembly legislator on 4 occasions, and I have no doubt that under his leadership, Trinamool Congress will be much stronger in Goa. Also, he has tremendous experience. Sometimes you can win an election, sometimes you can lose an election. But the kind of knowledge and the kind of in-depth commitment he has to the people of Goa, I think there are very few leaders in the political history of Goa who can claim to be a master. If one looks at his history, it is his connectivity to the people that has kept him as a mass leader. So he has joined hands with Mamata Di. We are very happy, and we also feel privileged that a leader like him has joined our party, because that's how a party will grow in the grassroots. Secondly, I would like to say that Trinamool Congress has come to Goa to defeat the BJP. And one thing is crystal clear, that Congress could not do it despite the mandate of the people. उनको 17 सीटें मिली कांग्रेस पार्टी को पिछले विधानसभा चुनाव में, पर वो सरकार बना नहीं पाए. तो एक तरह से लोगों के साथ विश्वासघात हुआ, मैं कह सकती हूँ. और बीजेपी जिसने 5 साल सरकार बनाई, द 5 years गवर्नमेंट, उन्होंने भी गोवा के लोगों के साथ विश्वासघात किया. मीन्स इट इज़ अ सागा ऑफ बिट्रेयल with the people of Goa, the Indian National Congress, because they could not form the government, and Bharatiya Janata Party that formed the government and betrayed the people. Few days back, I saw Chief Minister of Goa saying 30,000 jobs. 30,000 नौकरी वो गोवा के युवाओं को देंगे. My question to him is, आप पिछले 5 साल में क्यों नहीं दे पाए? Why did the last 5 years see unemployment in Goa? Why are you promising them now 30,000 jobs? Trinamool Congress has come to you with 2 schemes of economic and social empowerment. One is Griha Lakshmi, sir has already said, 5,000 rupees in the bank account of women in every household, and a loan of up to 20 lakhs with 4% interest for young people. So if a young person like yourself gets this loan, you start a business, you have an income, and then you employ 10 other people. So this is itself an employment creating scheme. और एक चीज़ मैं कह दूँ, तृणमूल कांग्रेस झूठ नहीं बोलती, भारतीय जनता पार्टी झूठ पे झूठ बोलती है और सरकार पे आने के बाद अपने वादे भूल जाती है। तृणमूल कांग्रेस अपने वादे भूलती नहीं है। अगर आप वेस्ट बंगाल की तरफ देखेंगे, ये जो स्कीम्स ममता दीदी यहाँ देने का वादा कर रही है, वो बंगाल में हम कर चुके हैं, ये हो चुका है। हम बीजेपी के जैसे सांप्रदायिक शक्ति को बंगाल में रोक चुके हैं और गोवा में अब आए हैं हम रोकने के लिए। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट माय फ्रेंड्स इन द मीडिया टू help us in our campaign throughout the state, and we promise you जो हम वादे अपने मैनिफेस्टो में करेंगे उसको हम पूरा करेंगे। All our promises in the manifesto will be fulfilled. We will justify it to the people. We will justify it to the people of Goa that why we are promising something and how we will do it. We will do it. And last but not the least, I know we are a new party, but everybody who's come to our party has come for 2 reasons. 1, for good governance, 2, for the benefit and progress of the people of Goa, and 3, to defeat a party like BJP, which is decimating the country and I believe has taken Goa 20 years backwards. So I request you all for your support, and I once again say it is my privilege to be with Mr. Churchill, and I have absolutely no doubt about the fact that he is an asset to us and he will strengthen the party, and I have no doubt that Trinamool Congress will form the government. अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल हो आप ज़रूर पूछें, मैं जवाब देने की कोशिश। देखिए यहाँ की जो जनता है, अभी मैं थोड़ा डोर टू डोर करके आ रही थी, देखिए उनका चर्चिल जी के साथ एक अलग रिश्ता है। देखिए इलेक्शन में हार जीत रहता है, मैं उस पर नहीं कहूँगी, पर ही इज़ अ मेंबर ऑफ देयर फैमिली, ये साफ हो गया है, वो उनके परिवार के एक सदस्य की तरह है। दूसरी बात, ये बिल्कुल तय है, इसमें कोई दो मत नहीं हो सकता कि चर्चिल साहब ने जनहित में काम किया। तृणमूल कांग्रेस अभी आई है और ये डेकेड्स, दशकों से यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, तो हमारा सौभाग्य है कि वो हमारे साथ हैं। ही इज़ अ वेल कनेक्टेड मैन, वेल रूटेड मैन, और मेरा विश्वास है कि ममता दीदी का हौसला और चर्चिल जी की जो ज़मीनी उनकी पहचान है, एक अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन रहेगा। और यहाँ के एक कैंडिडेट है वेंजी वेगस, जो आम आदमी पार्टी से शायद लड़ रहे हैं, मैं इंग्लिश में भी कहूँगी और हिंदी में भी। आई वुड लाइक टू टेल द आम आदमी पार्टी कैंडिडेट दैट प्लीज़ डू नॉट use and accuse